Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can insert tick mark or check mark in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to go and click on insert, and here you have symbol, click on that, and then you need to click on more symbols, and here you need to search for the bindings, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the tick mark, and then you need to click on insert. And then if you want to add the check mark, you simply need to select this one, you can see that, and click on insert. So you can see that both symbols are there. So let me close this. So this is the process by which you can insert tick mark or check mark in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.